What if the waste we throw away every day could become a powerful source of clean electricity? In sealed tanks, microorganisms break down organic waste without oxygen and produce biogas. This biogas is cleaned and upgraded into methane-rich fuel that can run engines and power generators. The fuel then drives generators, producing electricity for homes, hospitals, schools, farms, and industries. The biggest value of biofuel power is that it can be produced locally, using waste from the same communities it supports.
Biofuel may not replace every energy source, but it can turn pollution into power and waste into opportunity.